Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're going to take you out to Callahan, Florida for the Callahan Cruisers Monthly Cruise In for December. This is going to be the car show cam from the perspective of the dashboard truck. We just kind of stopped out at this event shortly, about an hour's worth, because we had another event going on that night that we had paid for tickets for, so you know, you kind of gonna go to the things you paid for. We had to go to a Jacksonville Icemen Hockey game we had already had tickets for and everything. So it was a great event. Lots of cool cars always come out. But unfortunately, we just didn't get to stay very long. So this is what we saw. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. And if you do enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Now, let's rev it up for that car show.
Well, he brought the El Camino today.
Mm-hmm. I like to park in my normal spot.
Yeah, if you want to.
Figure to.
There's Ed. Right here.
Good for you.
Mm-hmm.
Good for me. That way we don't have to set up camera there.
Okay.
Oh, wait a minute. Okay. We oughta.
Yeah. It kind of feels good to have it on my head. There's another one coming in late. Can you back up?
I got somebody standing right at the tail end of the truck.
Oh.
But
Crystal's still trying to get out of here.
yeah, she got plenty of time.
Yeah. She got to go all the way back to Yulee.
Really?
She's going back to Yulee to change clothes or something.
Shit, she'd been smart to bring. Well, no.
Yeah. Bring it with her?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, can you pull up over there?
Yeah, boy, look at them coming light.
Yep.
You guys ain't ready for Christmas, are you? Turn them on. Turn them coming lights on, boy. Where's your hat? Put that on. You gotta get festive with it. Yeah. There you go. There you go.
Just hadn't changed into it yet. Put them right.
Is that turn your hat on too?
Chuck was giving. Come on, put your hat on. Where's your lights at?
Yeah.
All right, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Callahan Cruisers Monthly Cruise In for December. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did enjoy it, please do all the YouTube things. Do the like, the subscribe, comment, share. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not, because that's the big thing. We got to get subscribers. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers to get the YouTube ad revenue dollars to come in and start flowing in so we can start doing more stuff with the channel, going out further, going to bigger car shows. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We really enjoyed going out to the show, so I hope you guys enjoy the video that we took at the show. So you get to experience it from the comfort of your own home, unlike us that had to go out and sweat and get cold and be miserable. I'm kidding. I'm not miserable at the car shows. Although the weather has been kind of lately. But anyway, so we're at 321 subscribers, so that's great. We're well over halfway. We just got to get that last push to get to 500 to get that monetization and then get it rolling further. It's a whole thing. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys out at the next car show, whatever it may be.